Okay, this is Cisco Packet Tracer 611, and hopefully it's recording because I'm having trouble with Cam Studio. The object of this is this topology represents a small WAN. Each device in this network has been configured um, with IP address. However, no routing has been configured. The company management wants to use static routing to connect multiple networks. We're going to test the connectivity between the PCs and the default gateway. Determine if there is connectivity from each PC to its configured gateway. First, use a simple ping test. We're going to click on this PC here, the BO PC, and then we're going to go to desktop and command prompt. I'm having the worst problem with this. Command prompt, and then we're going to type at the prompt, we're going to type ipconfig. And you can see that it brings up our IP address and the default gateway and the subnet mask. Now we need to ping the 192.168.11. Whoops, sorry, 1.1. And hopefully you can see this. Um, we lost 0. It pinged on every one, so it did what we wanted it to do. And so we can close this one out, and then we're going to go to PNPC. Oops, which is over here. And we're going to do the same thing to it. And we've got what we needed on that one. Okay, let's see. And we need to ping same type, 192.168.3.1. And we lost none, and it was able to ping all of them, so that was what it was supposed to do on that one. And then we need to repeat steps A and B and C for the next PC, which would be this one. And so we're going to go ahead and do that. Type in ipconfig, and whoops, I have to if you type it right. And then we're going to go ahead and ping 192.168.2.1. And we received all those, so that one's just fine. And let's see, we want to do this to anything else? No. Okay, then we're going to use the console cable and terminal emulation software on BOPC to connect to the branch office. Test connectivity with the main office by pinging 10.10.10.1, the IP address of the directly connected serial interface. This ping should succeed. So we'll go back here and we will ping. Whoops. 10.10. Oh dear. Let's go ahead and I'm stuck. Yeah, let's close it down and try opening it again. And it's not giving me a new line for some reason. There we go. So we will ping 10.10.10.1 and the request timed out. Let's see. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, let's try using this. My computer is just not working the way it should. I cannot get my taskbar to go away, and that's a big problem. Oh, let's click on this and delete that. And let's go here and here. And it should be the serial interface 30. And we'll try this again. Okay, and now let's see, test the connectivity with the main office by pinging the address of the serial 20 interface. The ping should fail. Okay, so that one was correct. And then we will, this next one should fail, and it's 1010. We need to ping 10.10.10.5. And it didn't, but let's see if I got it right. Oh, serial interface 2. Okay, so the issue, show the IP route command from the terminal window from BOPC. Note that the only direct connection routes are shown at the branch office table routing. The ping failed because the branch router has no routing table entry for 10.10.10.5. We can repeat the steps through A through D on the other two PCs. The pings to directly connect the networks will succeed. However, pings to remove the networks will fail. What steps must be taken to reach each of the networks from any PC activity? You can view the routing tables in Packet Tracer using the Inspect tool. The Inspect tool is on the common toolbar to the right of the topology. The Inspect tool is the icon that appears as a magnifying glass. In the Commons toolbar, click on the Inspect glass. And click on the main office router, and then click routing table, and click the branch office router and choose routing table, which I've done, and then we can click on the partner net router and choose the routing table. Move the routing table windows around so that you can see all three at once. What networks do each of the routers already know about? After comparing the router tables, close the windows for each routing table by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner. Oops. So we need to put the cursor over the red serial link between the branch office router and the main router. Notice that the interface of the next hop is S3/0. At the branch office prompt, we're going to type enable to enter into the privileged exec mode. And then we're going to type configure terminal. And the syntax for the default route is IP route and that. And we're going to type all of that. Oops. type in to get back to the branch office prompt. I'm going to try this again because I forgot to space it. And then we need to type copy, run, start. Okay. And so we pinged 192.168.3.2, and now we're going to ping 192.168.2.2. I hope this works because I'm having such a trouble with everything. And not wanting it does not want to work. And I've even lost my Cam Studio, so hopefully this is working.